Hi coders, welcome back. Today we'll get our sprites moving and rolling. I'll teach you how to move our sprite forward, backward and make them turn left and right. Go to my stuff and create a new project. Now, in the previous episode we had a look at the stage, the block palette and the sprites. Right now, in this episode, I'll teach you how to get these sprites moving. Because just them sitting there and saying like that isn't very fun. So, the first block is this, the move 10 steps block. Then there's a turn 15 degrees block and the other turn 15 degrees block. The move 10 steps can be modified. You see this 10? It's in a white oval. We can change the value. Let's say 1 step or 100 steps. Let's first try 10. Let's click on it. It moves forward 10 steps. But when we click the green flag, which will actually be clicked, nothing happens. Why? Well, whenever you add some code, you always have to go to events and add this when green flag clicked block. Otherwise, nothing will work. See? Now it's moving 10 steps when I click the green flag. Let's say we want to go backward. How do we do that? Well, we have to set it to a negative value. Negative 10 steps. Let's click the green flag and yay, it's moving backward. Now the turn 15 degrees blocks. There are two blocks because you see this little arrow here? This one? That indicates which way it will turn. This one says it will turn this way. This one says it will turn this way. So turn 15 degrees. It turns 15 degrees to the right. This one, it turned 15 degrees towards the left. Now you can change this 15 to something like 50 degrees. You can also change this to 50 degrees. But you see, with this block you can also turn the other way. You just have to go into a negative value. See? With this I can also do the same. Well, that's it for the motion blocks. At least 3 of them. Your homework or assignment is you have to explore the motion blocks tab and then you have to create a quick game in which it moves 10 steps forward and then it goes to a random position. See you in the next video. Bye.